Really?
What are you doing? You're tickling my ears.
What? All right, let's try dog 2, who doesn't like to wear jackets. Whee! All right, let's see how much snow is here. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna like fall. Oh, Lord have mercy. Woo! Well, exactly as I expected. The animals refuse to go outside because it's taller than them, and they go poopy on the pads. Go poopy, honey. Go pee-pee. You haven't gone all day. Please. Since last night, you haven't gone. Fiona. Oh. Basically, I just shoveled this for no reason because the dog won't even come out here to go to the bathroom. What the fuck? I feel so
decimated.
bad.
So I ended up having a vaginal rejuvenation. It's as tight as a keyhole down there. I could pick up quarters with it.
Alright, not for nothing. I'm glad that they're fucking doing this, but it's 3 o'clock in the morning. What the fuck? I don't even know what to say. Really, guys? Seriously? Really? Here he comes back again. How many more times are you gonna go around, dude? Fuck. I'm a computer. Where you going? Turn around! Snickers! Snickers! I'm probably going to hell in a handbasket, but... Play in the snow, buddy! Is your pee-pee cold? Alright, well... It's waist deep. Trying to get to the car. Well, now you're sweating my ass off. They plowed us in here. Well, I'm on top of the car now. And I got this blanket. I told you all it's just gonna come right off. Oh boy. Alright, let's see how easy this is. Oh yay! I got this. I got these pants on. I got these other pants on.
Think it up. With support from Staples for Students, it's a new initiative to activate student-powered, teacher-led learning projects. Students and teachers, how can you spark great learning experiences?
What are you doing, Lucifer? Meow meow. Seriously? I'm about to put Lucifer back down in the snow. Where are you going, buddy? Does anybody else have dogs that end up getting stuck in the snow because their paws get frozen and then they can't walk? Because mine do, and then I have to rescue them. Poor Fiona can't even walk because her paw's frozen. Oh, poor Fifi. Oh.